Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the drives where your footage lives are mounted and accessible. Resolve can only relink to visible paths. Once done, open the affected project and identify offline clips in the media pool or timeline. Those red or gray indicators point to missing files. Next, choose File, then Relink Media, and point to the root folder containing originals so Resolve can scan subfolders automatically. This initial relink often recovers many clips quickly and sets the stage for deeper fixes. Once the basic relink misses clips, move into metadata matching. You can relink by file name, but when names changed, rely on timecode and reel or camera metadata. Use Media Pool, right-click and choose Relink Media again, then target the specific source folder. Make sure Force Conform is off to preserve edits. If timecode's shifted, open clip attributes and adjust frame rates or start times so Resolve can align. Also check directory structure. Keeping camera folders intact makes automated matching far more reliable. To finish, verify all relinked clips play in the timeline and rebuild optimized media or proxies to prevent dropped frames. You can clear render cache if stale files cause issues. If a clip remains offline, make sure file permissions allow reading and that the path and file name case match what Resolve expects, especially on network shares. As a final solution, use media management to consolidate and copy media into a clean folder or new project. This creates consistent paths and usually eliminates persistent offline problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.